Sorry guys. What is up guys? We're back here with yet another video today. And today we will be making a mini snowman since there's barely enough snow to make. There's not really enough snow to make like a bigger snowman. With nothing else to do, let's get started. Yeah, so first thing you want to do, build a base. This base needs to be nice and sturdy. So just kind of shape it. Okay? Then now what you want to do is take some like a smaller piece. Just keep putting snow on top of it until you got a bigger piece, like so. Then what you want to do is form a smaller piece here. I need to get some more snow quick. Just pretend that never happened. Pretty cold and icy out here. Okay, then you just want to put the icing on the cake. Here, let's turn this like that. Put the icing on the cake like that. And then you have to get some raisins. I've never really made a snowman before. And how do they get the raisins to stick? Well, I guess there's no raisins. Got one. Okay, I guess I can only get one. Well, what do you know? It's a cyclops. Hopefully when it snows a little bit more, I can make a better snowman. Sorry about the sound over there. It's like the wind things that make sounds when it's windy. With nothing else to do, please subscribe. If you have any other snow video ideas, let me know in the comments below. Give me a like, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe. That'll be the end of the video. Thanks for watching.